Hey, Math 11 stats friends. This is Mr. Heron, your online instructor, dialing in with you. It's Saturday night here at my house. Anyway, my family's in the other room. We're having kind of a family night time. But anyway, I want to dial in with you about what's coming up here in the class. We have something new this weekend. You probably noticed. And that is we have, let me say two things. So Monday, what I've already mentioned, Monday is due the sample exam. That's not like a hard exam, and it's going to ask you one question, how to add two numbers. So that's just to make sure your technology is working, meaning you have a webcam on. So you have to have, like I'm just covered up that webcam. You have to have a computer with a webcam. You can borrow a friend's. We have them at Fresno City College we have a library that has a couple of computer labs. It's just for your exams, your four exams and your one final exam. They have to be taken on a computer with a webcam. So I know your smart friend's not taking the test for you. It's got to have a webcam. So that sample exam, which is due by Monday at midnight, is just to make sure your technology is working. So when you get to the actual exam number one next weekend or something like that, is that what it is? Well, actually a week from Wednesday. So a week and a half from now about. Anyway, you won't have any technical problems. You can just focus on the exam. So the sample exam is due Monday. And that's just one simple adding question just to make sure your technology, your webcam is working. It'll lead you through all the steps. Just click on it. It'll tell you exactly how to download the special program you need. You have to have you can't be a Chromebook, not a Chromebook. And I'm not sure if it works on an iPad. I don't think so. You can try it, but you need a normal PC or a laptop. Um, all right. So the other thing is we have our first video assignments. We have 4 video assignments. These are quick. Sounds long. They're really quick. Let me show you. It's called Correlation and Causation First Video Quiz. See it over here on my screen. I'm sharing my screen. So, or you can find it under assignments. It's due by Sunday at midnight. That's tomorrow. I'll click on it. Let me show you how easy it is. This will not be hard. That is Correlation and Causation First Video Quiz. There are 4 of them. Each of them are the 2 of them are 6-minute videos. One of them is like a 2-minute video, and the other one's maybe 5 minutes. So, what's that? 18, 25 minutes of videos. And then you just answer some questions throughout it. It won't take you any more than 45 minutes, I would think, at most to get all 4. Like they're about 10 minutes each, maybe 15, maybe an hour at most. 15 minutes for each of these videos, 1 hour at most. By Sunday night. These are, I think, the most interesting part of the course, these video quizzes. Let me show you. So you see my screen, right? I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click start. So you can read this right here. Basically, I'm just going to show you. You click start video. And hopefully you can hear that and see that. I'm sure you can. It's playing the video, the first video. Now you can skip along. Boom, boom, boom. Whoops, I just turned off the sound. You can skip along.
Someone on the news put them over the course variable X, the amount of time in hours.
And then it's going to stop and ask you questions. Watch.
Variable Y, the number of aggressive acts committed. Think of a child the 1-week observation period. Lisa played 2X. The very first thing we want to do is plot her data on the X-axis, the horizontal axis. We'll label
this. Here we come.
Spent playing violent video games.
Watch.
Since no one can play less
in just a second, the video will stop on its own and ask me a question. Same question it's going to ask you.
I see that the most any one child played 10 hours. So we'll go up to 10 on my X-axis.
Boom. See, I didn't do that. My hands were here. It stopped on its own. It'll do the same thing for you. It's going to ask me. It's just going to make sure you're watching the video. It's going to ask you some questions. For this scatter plot, what were the exact words on the X-axis? Now, you might be thinking, oh, shoot, I didn't notice. Well, it's no problem. You can go back. That's what I explain here in this verbiage. I say, it's no problem. I understand you're not going to say everything perfect. You have infinite, just like the homework, you have infinite tries on these video quiz questions, and you can just jump back and watch it again. Now, the problem is you don't want to spend too much time doing this, right? So I also told you, look, just jump back, see the part you need, and then jump forward to 1 minute 40 seconds. See, I'm writing it right there, 1 minute 40 seconds. So I'm going to click on this up here. See what I'm clicking on at the very top? Click on that, and then see you can jump to any section of the video you want. The first section, which leads to question 1, the second section, which leads to question 2, and on you go. There's 6 sections that each have 1 question. So there's 6 questions altogether in this first video. So I'm just going to go, okay, cool. I missed it. Let me go back to the first section. Click on that. It starts it over again. Now, I don't want to watch that whole thing again. So I'm going to move down here. See my little cursor down at the bottom?
Most psychologists are interested in
how I'm moving along and I can jump. See the timing? I'll jump
Researchers
to a
have
minute
shown that
40.
there's a correlation between violent video games. We'll begin with 0.
And look at that. Look what's on the x-axis there. Can you see it? I can make it bigger. See, it says hours spent playing violent video games. That's what's on the x-axis. Then you go, oh, okay, now I see it. Just play it forward again. It'll
Scanning
stop.
over all the
It's going to ask the question,
I see
hours
that the
spent playing
most
violent
any
video
one child
games,
played
right?
was 10 hours. So we'll go up to 10 on my x-axis.
There, it stops. Now I'm going to type in here. Oh, okay, now it's hours spent playing violent video games. Now, uppercase, lowercase doesn't matter. It's not case sensitive. Don't worry about that at all. Uppercase, lowercase, capitals, small letters, whatever, doesn't matter. Submit. It's green, right? I got it. Okay, then up at the top it says continue to the next one.
On the y-axis,
it's
the
going to
vertical
start
axis,
playing the rest of the video.
Can commit fewer.
Now look what's on there. Aggressive acts.
So that's where we'll
on the
start.
Y.
The most aggressive acts any one child committed was 20. So I'll number up to 20 on
there. It just stopped again. Second question for this kind of what were the exact words on the y-axis? Well, you saw them. It was aggressive acts, but I'm just gonna do the wrong answer. Blah blah blah. Submit. It goes nope, but then you can try again. Get similar. Same exact question. It's not just similar. It's the exact same question. You go okay. I got it. Aggressive acts, but you got to make sure you spell it right because it is spelling sensitive. So I got it. Next section.
My y-axis.
And then on and on you go. I'm tired of, there we go. So yeah, just keep on playing. So anytime you want, you can jump back or forward. You know, you have infinite tries. You can go out of the video like this. All right, I'm out. Forget it. I'm done. I want to break right now. And then go back later. You go back. Oh, okay. Assignments. See how I'm going to click on assignments right now? So once you start, to find an old assignment you've already started and stopped, you got to click on assignments. It says upcoming 2.1 correlation causation. There it is again. See, it's 1 out of 6 right now. I got one question right. I can click on it. It says, oh, you want to resume? Yeah, I do. I want to resume right where I was at before. Oh, no, it's starting over again. Well, I'm going to jump to the second. You just come up here and just jump to
you may think of
question,
psychology as a discipline focused on the
second
individual.
section right there.
On
Boom.
the y-axis,
there it is,
the vertical
second section.
axis.
Again, I can write this again. I go, oh, yeah, it's that y-axis. Aggressive act.
The most aggressive acts any one child committed was 20.
I thought
so
I typed
I'll
that
number
in.
up to 20.
Oh, yeah, aggressive acts. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. So then I can go to the next one. Continue on the third, blah, blah, blah. There you go. So I just wanted to show you that's what's due this weekend by Sunday at midnight. Yeah, you can just jump around, answer the questions, infinite tries, just watch those photos. I think they're super interesting. It'll really show you when is correlation causation, when is it not. Anyway, I want to keep this video short. I hope you're doing well. Be glad to help with anything. Dial in with me on Zoom. Send me a text or an email. Be glad to meet with you and help you with anything. Hope you're having a good weekend. All right, I'll be talking at you soon. Bye-bye.